standard 2A in Kisnoti World School. We will learn how to make a terrarium. I made my terrarium. How? I will tell you. So, what things we need to make a terrarium, I will tell you now. These are the pink stones. This is a normal stone. These are the white stones. And this is the real plant. This is the real cactus. This is some sand. And this is a compost. And these are small stones of the normal stone. And this is a clean and empty ball. So now I will make. This is a house which I have prepared by the help of ice cream stick. So let's start the process of making terrarium. Now we will take some sand and pour in the clear and empty ball. So now we will keep some pink stones in the ball. So now we will keep some white stones. Okay. Now we will pour some normal stones. Then we will keep some compost. So, our terrarium is complete. Now we will design the terrarium. Now we have prepared the terrarium. Now we will design at the up. We will design with the help of white stone, the house and the pink stones and etc. Now we will dig some hole here. Then we will keep this plant here. Now we will dig here also. Then we will also keep this plant. And we will dig another hole here to keep the cactus plant. Now we will keep some colored sand to make beautiful. Now you can see it is looking very beautiful. I made this home with the help of ice cream sticks and glue gun and scissors. Now we will keep this house inside the ball. We will keep some white stones around the cactus and other plants. Now we will keep some normal stone and pink stone. For design, we will put this gate inside. Now we will make the root. So So now we will clean the bowl. Now my terrarium is ready. Thank you for watching me. Jai Shri Krishna. And have a nice day. I will tell you how I made my terrarium. First, I have taken some little sand and kept in the bowl. Then some pink stones. Then this much sand and soil. Then I have kept the trees here. Both sides. This is the stylish trees. This is the Sebabati tree and this is the stylish tree. Then this is the cactus. I have taken the cactus from the soil. Then I have kept the cactus here. Then I have made one root here. I have kept here some jinks of yellow color. Then I have kept white stones around the cactus and here also some white stones. Then I kept here some normal stones. Then here also some normal stones. I want to say the benefit of terrariums. The plants help us to breathe and the plants give us oxygen, grains, fruits, and this is necessary to the world. Reduce the noise pollution. We should keep more number of terrarium in. Thank you for watching me.
Very lovely. Lovely, Rini, very lovely. Thank you.
Thank you.